Sometimes you just would like to exclude a package from your content host or eventually from your server connected straight to the CDN customer portal. Or anytime that you type yum update, you see again and again that package just asking, hey, I'm here, let me get updated. But let's say that there is a problem or for any reason, you would like to exclude that package. So how to do that? Today, let me show you in this video how you can proceed. So let's go to the video. Here, let's start by the documentation. This is documentation of Rel 10, and I'm gonna keep the link on the description down below. But basically, this is a Rel 10 documentation managing software with the DNF. Specifically, we can see excluding package from DNF operation. And how to do that? I can use exclude packages under my main section in the file that is located on /etc/dnf/dnf.conf. And the format basically is something like this. I can set exclude package, the package name. Nice thing here, I don't see the information over here, but if you go to the main page, you can see some additional information. We can be work with like wildcard, or in other words, asterisks or stars. So let's give it a shot. I have this machine. This is a Rel 9.5. And if we take a look on the list of repositories, we can see that we have AppStream and Base OS. Okay, let me open a second terminal to this machine. There we go, here we are. And at this moment, let's play with the package vim. So rpm-q vim-minimal. I can see the version is 21, or the version is A2-2637-21. But how can I check if there are new packets? So basically, I can do dnf list vim-minimal. This is going to present the version that we have installed and also the latest version. And Wally, is there a way to see all the versions? Because I see that there is a slight difference here, but what about older versions, previous versions? I know that we have something like this. Then yes, my friend, definitely we do. You can always use --showduplicates, this flag over here. This is going to show everything that you do have, all the versions that you do have in this specific repository. So we can see the vim-minimal, all of them are vim-minimal. The version here is A2-2637. You can see this is matching to all of them. And we have different releases, like the current one, the installed one is 21. And we have 15, 16, 02, 03, 20, 21, and 22. All right. With that said, let's play a little bit with this, because in this machine, if I type dnf update vim-minimal, what will happen is this machine is going to bump to the latest version, which is 22, this one over here. And then, okay, I would like to avoid this. I would like to skip this version. For any reason that I know, I would like to skip this version. So let's type no. Let's edit that file, etc dnf.conf. And this is the structure of the file. Basically, this is the standard, at least for this specific version. So how can I add the information? I can see the information over here. I can copy this one as my reference, paste over here. I can also use the pound here just to omit or comment this line. And yes, let me copy, paste, or duplicate the line. And the package I would like to remove is vim-minimal. So let's say that I keep this one like this, and I can use my wildcard star. So let's give it a try. Let's see what will happen. If I try to update vim-minimal, look at that, there is no package. So there is no package to be installed. This is good. I believe this worked. But let me show one thing to you. dnf search vim-minimal. Pretty weird, huh? There is no package. Nothing about that guy. Let me copy and paste this one just to keep this as a reference, and then we can compare. Look at that. What just happened is something like this. I excluded vim-minimal for good. Vim-minimal is not around anymore. There is no version that will be available because I'm excluding the whole structure, the whole information. so dnf.conf, we can see I'm removing vim-minimal for good. Anytime that I do a star or asterisk, what I'm telling is, hey, if you find vim-minimal, anything else, any version in this case, because after the vim-minimal will be the version, there you go, I would like to exclude. And then there is no new package. So this is one way if you like to exclude that package for good. Let's keep going. Let me do one more thing here. If we just keep vim-minimal, let's give it a try. Same idea, okay? Pretty good. So just using the package name, as we saw in our documentation, this should be enough or should be similar to the asterisk or including the asterisk. Okay, let's play more. Let's edit this file. Let's say that I would like to exclude just one specific version. And now what I can do is something like copying the version. This is the version. This is my current version, the installed one. We can see 21 here. I would like to exclude the latest version, which is this. So I'm gonna copy and paste. And let's take a look now. Okay, I'm here. This is my install version. This is matching with the version. You can see the color is different. It's like a cyan. And this is matched with the latest version, which means my exclude by version worked. Like now I can see only this version. I cannot see the latest version anymore. And because of that, I'm good. Which means if I try to run dnf upgrade vim-minimal, there is no new version because I'm excluding that version. However, I'm able to downgrade this package or the version of this package. Amazing. Let's suppose that now I'm facing some problems with the version 1. And then I would like to exclude from my list all the package version 1.something or 1 something. So can we do that? Definitely, my friend, we can. Are you ready? So let's say that I have my 1 here. Let me just add 1 at this moment. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna clean up the screen. Let's show the duplicates once again. What if something is wrong? Because you said that 1, and now I'm still seeing like 15, 16, 16, similar as before, 15, 16, 16. The point here is if you set the package name will match with the package name and all the versions. If you try to set something like package name including the version, this can be a problem because if you don't specify the full version like this one, this is not gonna match. So yes, in this case, we can use the star because the star is gonna work beautifully now. So let's give it a try once again. And here we can see that now we don't have anymore the version 1. So let me give you one more bonus here. So let's edit this file once again. Let me comment this one out. Let me remove the latest version, or let me uncomment this line, which will be removing the latest version. Let's clean up again. Let's show the duplicates. And we can see that this machine has no visibility to the latest version. Like for this machine, we are seeing the latest version. But we know that this is not true because we know for sure that there is one version. And we also know, we have the knowledge that we are filtering this out using the dnf exclude packages. Okay, what is the way to see this package or eventually to update this package? I have to come back to this file, comment this line, and then install the package. Yes, this is one way, but let me show you this, and I believe you love. So here, we just saw the show duplicates. Let me resize this one a little bit on the top. There is no 22 version or 22 release. One thing that we can do is this. DNS list vim-minimal, same as before, -- show duplicates. I can disable exclude packages in different levels, but for the sake of this video, to be quick, let's say all, equal all. And again, if you are in question, if you're in doubt about this one, go on man dnf, search by this one, disable exclude packets, and you see all the information. If you are still with questions, fear not, go down below on the comments and let me know. I'll be more than glad to help you. Or also feel free to join us in our Discord channel and share your question over there. Basically, now we can see the latest version, see? And as I did the list vim-minimal, I can just do dnf update vim-minimal, just disabling this excluded packets. Let's do this real quick, and then we can close this up. This is the flag. I'm gonna keep this one here. The one that we did before was dnf update. Let's dnf upgrade vim-minimal. There is no new package because we are filtering this one. However, if I pass disable exclude all packets, look that beauty now. Yeah, there you go. We are not filtering anymore this package, and because of that, we can see the package. Let me rephrase this one just to be clear. We are filtering this one in our configuration file. However, we are just saying to DNF, hey, disconsider any configuration related to exclude package if you have this in your configuration file, and let's move it on. Basically, this is what is happening here. And we can see the DNF now was able to get the version 22, which is this one here in the bottom. And for sure, I can definitely update this package just because I'm escaping this verification during the call. But by default, yeah, most of the time we don't see people doing this all the time. They will just type dnf upgrade something or dnf install or dnf downgrade. This is not a common flag to see around. Then yes, in general, your exclusion is going to work pretty fine. And let's just take a look on the latest version of the show duplicates. There you go. Look at that. I have my version 15, 16, 20, 21. I cannot see 22 at this moment because I'm still filtering. However, look at that. vim-minimal 22, like magic. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Feel free also to join us in our Discord channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.